Why do we suffer? Why do the innocent people suffer? Why are children killed? Why? We do not know. We only know that God doesn't like it when anyone suffers. Perhaps He could make it so that no one could do evil or cause suffering to another. But God evidently limits His power to respect man's freedom, even the freedom to do evil. He doesn't want us to be puppets who must do good by all means. Evil can only be overcome freely and out of love. Being able to accept suffering is also only possible out of love, like Jesus.